This is the Singer SteamCraft Plus 2.0 steam iron. We're gonna do the unboxing and test out the iron today. It comes with your manual, and we have our measuring cup. We have a heat resistant rest pad, and it has grooves that will catch the water whenever the iron starts to steam. And here is our iron. It has a nice sleek design, and we have our 5 functions in the front. It's a digital display. The water reservoir is clear, so you can see when the water is getting low. The base of the iron is very thin, and it has the on-point tip technology that allows it to get underneath the buttons very easily. We have a very long cord. It's 12 feet long, and the cord rotates 360, so it's very easy to maneuver. And on the side, we have the steam functions and the self-clean function. To add your water, just lift and pull this area, and it holds 2 of this cup, which is actually 1.5 cups of water. Now I'm going to start using my iron. We have the standard plug. I'm going to plug it in, and it's on standby mode until you press the mode button. It will not start unless you select a function, and it also has auto shut off, so if it's resting, then it will shut off itself. Now you press the button, it goes to nylon. Press it again, it will go to silk, then wool, cotton, and then we have linen. And we have 2 buttons on the top. The first button is to release the water directly from the front of the iron, and the second button is to release the steam from underneath. And the good thing about this steam pad, it catches the water so your ironing board won't get messy. So I'm just going to demonstrate how well it works underneath buttons and tight places. The face of the iron is super thin, and also the front is pointy, and it fits right underneath that button, and it fits into tight spaces easily to get all the wrinkles out of your clothes. Right now I'm using it on the steam function, and you can see how much steam it's producing, and this will help to get out the toughest wrinkles from out of your clothes. And as you can see, the side of the iron fits underneath the buttons. I'm really loving this iron. It makes my job so much easier.